If you've been feeling spiritually stuck, there's a good chance you're not actually stuck. It just feels that way. When your energy is low, when life is heavier, your normal rhythm shifts. So what used to feel easy starts to feel a little bit harder. And when that happens, it feels like you're not moving at all, but you are. You're just moving slower. And slower doesn't mean stuck. It means your capacity has changed. Most people measure faith by momentum. So when momentum drops, they assume something is wrong. But often nothing is wrong. You're just in a season that requires a different pace. So instead of asking, why am I stuck? Ask, what does movement look like at this pace? Because movement is slower right now, quieter. It's simpler, but it still counts. If this is where you're at right now, I talked more about this in Sunday's video. You can watch that next.